Hello, Emily here. I'm making a banana coconut cake. You'll find I like to gather and measure out all my ingredients before getting started. The French term is mise en place, putting in place. Having everything prepared makes baking way less stressful. I'm adding allspice into the dry ingredients here, which will give the cake depth and flavor with simply one ingredient. The golden flaxseed mixture will be the egg replacer, which you'll find I use most often in my cake recipes. Once it thickens, combine the flax mixture with the oil and milk. Add the sifted flour, baking soda, and powder, plus salt and allspice with the sugar. Mix it all together. Add the coconut extract with the wet ingredients. I really like to use non-alcohol-based flavorings. I find that they're more concentrated and won't bake off as easily in the heat of the oven. Ever since I spotted baby bananas at a market, I've been using them in baking recipes for a stronger flavor. They're a little sweeter and silkier with a vanilla scent. When they're perfectly ripe, they're delicious and really pack more of a punch than a regular banana. After the bananas are sliced, set them aside with the coconut to mix in later. Slowly add the liquid mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix lightly to incorporate it all together. I like to mash the bananas in while I'm whisking the ingredients together so they're completely infused in the batter. You can always add more bananas as you're mixing if you think it needs extra. I like a lot in my batter so there's pieces throughout. So I'm going to add one more here. Oh, and bananas are also used as an egg replacer, so it makes the perfect binding agent and adds moisture to vegan cakes. Between the flax mixture plus the bananas, it will make it that much better. Lastly, mix in the shredded coconut. Whisk until all the ingredients are incorporated and you have a nice, thick, glossy batter. Grease either 3 6-inch or 2 8-inch pans with shortening or cooking spray and line with parchment paper. If you only have one pan, that will work as well. I like to bake off multiple thinner layers so you don't have to cut into the cake and just simply trim the top off. Divide the batter between the pans to fill them about 3/4 of the way full. Once they're baked and cooled, refrigerate them overnight to help them set. Trim the tops with a serrated knife so you can fill them with your favorite icing. I like to fill it with a chocolate icing during the cooler months and maybe something more tropical for spring or summer. Don't forget to taste test along the way, and thanks so much for watching.